Today I'm MG. I'm going to explain my code and show you my output. And as you can see, I use this command prompt, and this is where I navigate my output. And I will explain my code. And this is from my main.jsx. This is to import the React library and import the React DOM for rendering the app to the browser. This one. And this one is to import the main app component and import the global style, and this one is to create the root element and render the app component to display the app component inside the div. This is the dev, and to help catch common mistake during development. And this is my index css. This is for reset all default browser margin and paddings, and this is for my styles. But the style applies to entire page, which I use this. I use this. And this app GCX is to import the React and import up the specific styles and import all components. And this function is the main app component. This is the function app. This is the parent of all components. And this one is the app wrapper. It's a flex container that push footer to bottom. And this is my component one. It's the navigation bar appears at top. And this is my main content area to hold the registration form. And this registration form is my component 2, which is the main feature. And this footer is my component 3, that upper at bottom. And this export default app is to export the app component so it can be imported in main.jsx. And then this app is this is my wrapper that hold everything. This is the flexbox for layout. And this is my containers to main container. And this navigation bar just X is my component. Is to import the React and use the state for managing state. This is for my navigation bar for styles, and it displayed the top navigation menu, and its function to change the SOFN value, which is this one, and this one is function to close the menu, and this one is to set is open to false, so which is to hide the menu, which is used for mobile interface. And this one is the navigation bar container, and this is the title of homepage. Is the registration app in my navigation bar at the upper. And uh this one is the it toggle the menu for accessibility. When you click it, it will show it will display the home, about, and register. And this navigation bar, this is for my design, my main navigation container. And then this registration form is to import the React. This is this is to this is from component that form for student registration, and it is from data to store all input values. This is this one, and this is to state for validation error, which is store error message. And this one is a function that run every time user type in any input, and it get the input name and value. And this form data is keep the existing values that update only in the change field. And this error is it will clear the error for this field if it exists while the user is typing. And this one is it clear a success message if users are typing again. And this one is to check if form is valid. And object to store all validation error, and destruction from data for easier access. And this one is this function is to handle the submit when it completing and prevent page refresh on form submit. And if there's a error, it will set the error state that show error message. And as you can see, this is my navigation bar, navigation form. And for my footer, this is my footer for appear at bottom of my page. And this is my style for my footer. And this is my style for my button, for which is the button for my selected. And this is my button for my CSS. This is my output. As you can see, you can able type your name and student ID, and select the course and email address, and enter the password, and it will say registration successful. And as you can see, this is my header for my navigation bar, and this is my footer, and I use the four components, which is the navigation bar and registration form and footer and the style button. And that's all. Thank you.